where's Wally?
Wow. That was terrible.
Listen for the Skippy alarm.
That was not okay.
Did you hear the alarm, Skip, Rich?
Yeah.
And again, and down. And they're still going, thanks for turning your motor off. I like the colour of your car, very nice purple. Midnight purple. Time now, 12:25, wait for 12:23, 2 Tango 40, Grimsby, New York, 12:20, 21 Northern Service, Lincoln, sorry, Laddick.
Addick.
Laddick.
Also known as Adwick.
A dick. Dirty boy. There's children over there.
There's children everywhere today.
Oh, it's good to
just
laugh
one
at
of those
yourself,
days.
otherwise you're a lonely fucker. Oh, it will do. Even he says it's gonna.
What was that?
I think it was Swan Lake.
Swan Lake.
That ballet or something. I don't know, I know the name. Can't say I've ever done it though.
We got one like this at Deal. We've got the same size warning and trespass. They've stolen our anti-trespass sign.
Where?
We've got this here. Dale's got the same size.
Two in the ice street. One was stood and pissed about.
How comes, like at Highcombe and on the central station, they've got penalty 200, but here they've got
200? G&T's 200.
Here's
What do
1,000.
you mean 2,000?
yeah.
200 for a train yard.
200 G&T, yeah. Paul says it's an old sign, it doesn't apply anymore, but I think it would. Yes, they might increase it, but it still applies, doesn't it? So the sign's necessary.
Beef van,
Eh?
beef van doesn't get the.
Oh, lovely.
Oh,
Bunch of knobholes.
And if they come from Crawley, they're not going to be happy that they've got
They are from Crawley. Let's be honest, what's going to be worse, Crawley or Mansfield? You know, killed people.
So Gatwick Airport or
Oh,
Mansfield.
Mansfield fucking Woodhouse. Jesus, well, nothing's departed yet. We've got two called
nothing's
in.
arrived yet either.
No, we've got two called in, 2 T40 and 2 R21.
Oh, knew it.
Yes, it's always late.
They probably send
And usually, if no divert, unless Stu arrives at like 21, these stay between 21 and 29 until it's passed. Even if Addick goes first.
We should really re-timetable 12:22.
They should. When it divided, it went at 12:30. It was over 12:32 though, so it worked.
there's another dog box.
You're always
Late.
12:23.
Oh, it's.
This should be the
This
same.
should be the Shane set.
Two.
Hey,
Is this the
Not Northgate.
Geo? Or is it
I don't know.
Calling and Milton Northgate.
153384?
153384
4.
4 to Newark Northgate. To Newark Northgate.
The pace of this one.
The Tomb one. Oh, I like it when foreign people call it Tomb. It's very fun. Bless Rico.
McLaren.
Deliveroo.
Ah, poor Rico though. He actually
Delivery.
called it the Tomb retake.
Deliveroo's turned
Bless
up
him.
again with the.
No idea. I think he's 20 as well.
What do you reckon
Finished
in
college
the?
a year ago, he did.
What do you reckon's in those big box? In that big bag?
Food, probably.
Plus they sit in here for 15 minutes.
Luckily, Leicester's not coming till 37 today. Normally they finish the same time as the Nottingham Norwich, which today has moved up to 1/4 hour. Which is fast through Loughborough, Melton Mowbray Oakham to Peterborough.
And also at 12 o'clock it's not on Lee's open day.
4 minutes.
Yep, 4 minutes. That's because I missed the amber light.
We still got these stupid stickers here when Spike came down, didn't we? Crossings. Going in.
Watch out sticker.
Hey! Did it, I pace that bus. Best attraction ever.
The bus is here.
8.
Yeah, I think anyway.
Back at it again with 12:27.
Moorhen in the river.
This used to be a Sheffield one, didn't it? Or is that next? I'm confused.
1 for 288.
88. 88 to Addick via Shefford.
You ended the video.
Where you have a seed place, and you